guys, how's it going? Dr. Dex here. Welcome to our channel. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Today we're justifying some elevation. We have all the ledgers up on the house, and we got our Stabila laser out here. Check this out. So we're checking out our elevations, we're getting our posts cut, and we're gonna start putting up these big old beams. If you like what you see today, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time you're putting out fresh content. The bell icon, get it? Bell. All right, and for those of you that want to learn how to bend deck boards, don't forget to check out Dr. Deck's masterclass. All right, let's check out these piers and see if we can't figure out the heights of all these posts. All right, so what I'm doing is I've justified elevation on the side of the house. I know I have a figurative number that I need to add to whatever height the laser hits on this grade rod. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this Stabila laser receiver, and I have the laser set up over here, over there. And it's just spinning, and then I'm gonna get the elevation, mark it on my grade rod, measure it, and then add the other numeral to that, and then that'll give me my post height. I've already subtracted all the drainage. I've subtracted the thickness of this beam. So I should be able to go ahead and figure this out by taking this and it's saying that's our money spot. So I just put a little mark on the side of it like that, and then what I'll do is I'll measure this rod 63 1/8. All right, 63 1/8, and 27 1/4 is my magic add number. So I have to add 27 1/4 to 63 1/8, and then that gives me the measurement we need. So I have a construction calculator right here, and it allows me to add in fractions. So I can go 63 inch and 1/8 plus 27 inch and 1/4 equals 90 3/8. So that's the height of what this post needs to be, is 90 3/8. So I take my Sharpie and I write it right on the footing, 90 3/8. And then Nazi will know what to cut the post at. That's how we do it.
Just making sure it's level, so we don't have a topsy-turvy deck. Brackets are cool too. Simpson has these super nice post brackets that you don't have to drill into the concrete. You just set them in there, and then they come with some nice Simpson screws that you can put in, I believe, with a 3/16 bit, 5/16, and you get a nice strong connection. And make sure the post to beam connection of your post is real strong.
Scooch it back here, back towards the lake. Oh, man.
We're gonna have to like teeter it.
Yeah, teeter it. Okay, let's roll it over again. Gotta walk it a little more. Your side's easier to walk. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! You got about 1/4 inch of drainage. Okay, so we need to cut this post down further. Or else we'll be in trouble. So See this? Where this drops?
Yeah.
I don't think so. One, two, three. Okay, excellent. Okay, let's drop the lifts. Okay, let's drop her. Nice. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you guys want to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content. And if you want to learn how to bend deck boards like the pros, don't forget to hit up Dr. Deck's Masterclass. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.